fuel at the back of the Vulcan when he is off to our left now. I'm told that it's not as bad as pollution as the lovely sound of full Rolls-Royce Bristol Olympus engines accompanied by two little Orchids engines in the nose. Silhouetted against those puffy white clouds, a magnificent sight coloured with camouflage. And they are picking out those colours and the yellow and red of the two gnats. The yellow jack gnat, the predecessor of the red arrows, and the 4 FTS Valley gnat.
Out now.
Now you heard Ollie Wheeldon when he was talking about the gnat.
Rolling out now. Rolling right now. That's right then.
So on the next pass, when they come back, and the gap that is left in that formation signifies at the car best accelerating, coming in quite slowly, and then she'll put the power on those 4 Rolls-Royce Bristol Olympus engines, and a bit of luck we'll hear a howl. So, welcome to one of the very last flying displays of a British aeroplane that represents the very best imaginative thinking out of the box virtues of aeronautical design and engineering. Famous Vulcan howl, tell your grandchildren, and not here, the Vulcan howl. And then, because she's so slippery, because she's such a brilliant airframe, because she's got these powerful engines, 16,500 pounds of static thrust each, about 65,000 in total, set very high, on very long, otherwise she accelerates to beyond various speed limits. Was drawn on a scruffy piece of paper in about 1946 by the wonderful Roy Chadwick, the man who designed the Lancaster. So eventually Vulcan flew only 11 years for the Lancaster, 1941 Lancaster, 1952 Vulcan. The Avro got its first Vulcan in 1956, and with Valiant and Victor had been designed to carry the goods now. As they come by up to the centre of the display, you can expect to see them retracting again. They're not landing here today, but if you've got binoculars, you'll be able to count them. There are 18 wheels altogether, 16 on the main undercarriage and on the nose undercarriage. So, after Vulcans had gone out of service, they were still so popular in the Air Force that they kept this aircraft, one Vulcan, on as the Vulcan flight, Vulcan display flight. But eventually, come 1992, that was her last season, they couldn't afford it anymore, and in 1993 she was sold off. Fortunately, she was sold to David Walton. Without him, this aeroplane would not be here today. Bomb bay opening. See the bomb doors open now. That is the heart of the bomber. That's when taking down to the Falkland Islands. All that's carried in the bomb bay these days are the names of a lot of Vulcan supporters, people who've contributed some of the £23 million it's cost to get her to this stage. As she comes by this time, watch for the bomb bay doors closing. She has fighter control columns for each of the pilots, not the kind of big steering wheel type yoke that you normally see in a bomber. So this really is her last season. She has 2 more shows to do next weekend and then 2 big tours the following weekend, one north, one south. Quite what happens on her last day of flying we don't know at the moment. So why is this? It is because 3 technical authority companies decided they can't support her anymore. Those companies are BAE Systems, Rolls-Royce, and John, plus Tony Hunter, who's mum to all, much too young. Last year, she did the 25 flying displays.